Okay, part 2. Willa.
Landon.
Dun, dun, dun. Clean dishes. That again. Hit the low.
I feel really bad for them because I've been in their spot before.
Do the floss.
Not even then. When I had to live with
Oh, and the cow on stop. Or cow monster. Willa.
Almighty.
And the and the microwave monster.
They only expect me to do all the stuff they've done.
Guys, the name of the show is gonna be Cooking with Harley Quinn, because I'm like Harley Quinn. Am I farting so much? Why? Are they cooking yet? Eggs.
Set it beside the sink.
Oh, nice!
Kelsey,
Nice,
crack the
nice.
eggs.
Eggs. In the eggs.
Yeah, crack the eggs in there and try to whisk it together.
Am I recording it next time?
So I finished whisking the eggs and
throw that
crap away.
No, third shift was just originally for
Behind the scenes, right?
training.
Yeah. Me and you are gonna do the show.
Okay, so I got the butter and I got the egg.
And he got to
Butter, I love butter. You want to cut the different parts?
Right now, until he gets
You want to cut the different parts?
But we can still like do it when we're ready.
Okay.
I'm gonna make sure he pays rent before I leave. I'll say that.
I don't care.
Would he would have asked me if he
Can't be too
here's
long,
the thing.
When you leave, I'll
Yeah, I
If he
can.
needs something, be
I can't make a
company
video
and
of
ask
15 minutes
just
long.
like
I'm like dispensing
Dryer
flour, I guess.
You're making it smoother.
Oh.
I don't have a curler.
Wish I knew that. No, I mean like, yeah, this hurts. Ow, hurts. This hurts. Wow, that hurts. I'm gonna do like a 500-minute long video, so I'm just gonna do a time lapse.